Kitchen. And so today I'm going to share this rice and beans recipe with you. So relax and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Click on the notification bell also for me. Okay, so this is my beans. 2 cups. I soaked it overnight and I'm going to rinse it very well. So I saw this rice and beans recipe on Sweet Ajeli's channel, so I said let me give it a try and share with my people also here. Okay, so I watched it about 3 times. So this is the third time that I've watched it. We are going to add water to it and we are going to take it to fire and give it time to cook for it to be very tender, or not very as in really tender. Okay, so I wasn't going to cook the rice the same day though, so I decided to, after cooking, let it cool and then keep the beans in the fridge so that whenever I'm ready to cook the rice, I'll just cook it. So the beans is ready. It's ready. So I just allowed the beans to cool down and then kept it in the fridge. So this day I was ready to cook the rice, but I wasn't going to use all the beans to cook the rice though. So I have my saucepan on fire. I'm adding coconut oil to my saucepan. Then I'm going to add some chopped onions or sliced onions to it. And then I'm going to allow it to fry a bit. Then I'm going to add my rice to it. Yes. So the rice that I'm going to cook, 1 cup of rice. And I'm going to also fry it a bit. I'm going to add salt and seasoning to it. I will just use all-purpose seasoning for this. You can use any seasoning of your choice and adjust the quantity, everything to your preference. I'm going to stir fry this also. I'll cover and give it time for it to cook a bit, for it to fry a bit more. Please like this video for me, share and leave a comment. Okay, so I'm going to add my beans to it, my cooked beans to it. So I divided the cooked beans into 2 and then added half to the rice. Okay, so I'm going to stir it together and then I'll add the quantity of water that I need. When it comes to the quantity of water too, it depends on you. Bear in mind that the beans already contains water, so you're not going to add too much. But at the same time, it depends on how soft you want your rice to be and the type of rice you are cooking. So just adjust the quantity to your preference. So we'll let it cook dry. So the water has dried. I'm going to cover with parchment paper. You can cover with tissue, kitchen tissue, or a napkin. That will be okay. And so we are checking on it. And I'm going to add the rest of the sliced onions to it and then I'll stir it together. The rice is ready, but because I've added some sliced onion to it, I'll just cover again and give it like 3 to 5 minutes and that'll be okay. And so this is simple. Yes, the coconut oil adds very nice flavor to it, plus the beans. It makes the rice taste very, very, very awesome. And you know, you can, because of the seasoning, you can even eat it like that without adding stew to it, and that will be so okay. So I am dishing some. And so this is our rice and beans, coconut oil rice and beans. I've added tomato sauce to it. Please subscribe for me, like and share this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.